Well, hello there, Eric Griffith here with Mobile Tech Services in Mobile Tech Studio B, and today I've got a quick Chromebook fix for you on how to do a hard reset, which should, according to Google's website, fix the Chromebook Touchpad, Trackpad, Mousepad, whatever you want to call it, fix that issue so that it comes back to life. All right, now this tip should reset it and allow it to come back on. If that device is permanently damaged, then Google recommends that you contact your manufacturer to get it fixed. All right, so in order to fix this, we're going to do the following steps here. We're going to turn the Chromebook off. We're going to press and hold the refresh button. Then we're going to tap the power button, okay? And then when the Chromebook starts up, then we're going to release our finger from the refresh button, and that is considered a hard reset, all right? So what I'm talking about here, according to Google's website, is the following. Let's go ahead and follow these steps here, and then we'll do it once in person. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to power down the Chromebook. You can do that a couple of different ways. You can press and hold the power button and it'll shut off, or we can follow this diagram here. We can tap the time down in the bottom right hand corner of the Chromebook or wherever your time is. Then we can click the power button and that will successfully shut down the Chromebook. Then what we want to do is press and hold the refresh button right up here. Press and hold that button and then you're just going to tap the power button. Then you're going to wait until the Chromebook starts to boot back up. And once you see the Chrome logo here, you're going to release your finger off of the refresh button and then all should be well. We should have reset the Chromebook, performed a hard reset on the Chromebook, all right? But what happens if my Chromebook here doesn't have a power button right here? What if it is a lock button? Because it's one of those fancy Chromebooks that goes all the way around and it's a touchscreen device. Well, same concept here. We just have to power it down and tap the power button on the right or left hand side, wherever the power button is for your Chromebook. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to press and hold and this will shut down the Chromebook, right? So then what we're going to do is press and hold this refresh button and then just tap the power button. Once we see the Chrome logo appear on the top of the Chromebook here as it's booting back up, then we can let go, and then we have performed a hard refresh or a hard reset on the Chromebook, and then all should be well. So at this point, let's go ahead and double check that our mouse works. And yep, I can move that around and see that the mouse did work. So hopefully that has resolved your issue today, if you were having an issue like that. As always, if this helped you out, please give me a thumbs up and you can subscribe to our channel. And you can follow me on the Twitters at Mr. Grifftastic. And I hope you have a Grifftastic day. Thanks.